today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some quick nails for, like, you know, moms on the go, or just people that don't want to sit here and, you know, do dip or do acrylic or do polygel. So there's something that I'm pretty sure a lot of people, if you've been watching nail videos, it's called the Apres Dupe, or the Apres gel nails, and then they also have the dupe. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do the dupe. So yeah, this is how I like to do my nails when I don't have time, things like that. So if you guys want like a small series on that, or, you know, watch me work videos here and there, let me know in the comments. I don't mind doing those. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you're gonna want to start by pushing your cuticles back. You want to make sure that you get your nail plates very clean and there's no cuticle on them, because that will cause lifting. So you don't have to use a drill. I'm gonna use my new drill, but before I use my new drill, you could just go in with a nail file. Since it is your natural nail, you want to go in with the 180 side, because that one is a finer grit. But I'm just gonna go in and clean up. I don't have that much. I'm taking my dehydrator. I would show y'all, but the dead one sticker thing came off. Part is optional, so if you don't want to use a dehydrator, I guess not, but my nails always work better with dehydrator. Or like if you have super dry nails and you don't get oily beds, I mean, everybody has natural oils up there, but your nail, you don't have a problem with nails lifting, then I guess you could just go with a primer, or it could be optional. This is the base coat I'm going to be using today. These are the nail tips that I chose today as well. So after you pick out your nail sizes, you are going to want to etch the inside of the nails just to make sure that they adhere properly. This can be the tricky part. That's why I'm gonna send you guys the kit, because if you don't have like the gooseneck lamp or the flashlight, sticking your hand in here while holding it can be difficult. But basically what you want to do is take your base coat, like that, and then you're gonna cure it. Okay, and again, you just take your tip, put your base gel up there, base gel, not top coat, but base gel. And you just want to put enough so that it will be strong enough to hold the nail, but you don't want too much where it's going to be oozing out everywhere, because then it just makes for the cleanup process to be longer. Like this, I'm gonna have to get all of that off because I didn't clean it up. So now that I got them all on, I'm gonna do one big final cure just to make sure that everything is adhered. Since I'm not really working with my natural nails anymore, I did switch to a rougher grit. But before I do that, I am gonna cut these down. So any other day, I would probably keep them this length or just cut them down a little bit. But okay, so I got them to look somewhat how I want them as far as shape-wise. So now I'm about to just go over them and make them look more like a custom nail by cleaning up the cuticle and making sure that it's flush to my skin. Now, I know you're probably like, well, that doesn't seem quick if you have to shape them. That's because I don't have short tips. So what makes it fast is that you can go on Amazon. I'll put some options on the screen, and you can just get the shape that you want and like something similar to the length that you already want, so you won't have to, you know, cut them down or shape them or anything like that. It's just I only have these tips, and then when I cut them down, they make them a little bit too square, and I like more of like a tapered. So yeah, so you can use your nail file for this too. But yeah, so I got it all how I wanted, and we back and we ashy. Ignore my pinky, I messed it up. So after this point, you just paint them however you want, whatever color you want. Today I'm gonna try and do some brown Frenchies, just for something different. But some people, they don't put base coat, they just polish them because they're artificial nails, so there's no oil. But I'm going to, because I feel like it makes the polish stick better. Okay, so in the next clip, you're gonna see that my nails are pretty much already painted. I did end up making a custom nude, but the nude wasn't the color that I was going for, so it's just making the brown look really weird. So I looked up some pictures and I found this Burberry type nail that I wanted to go for, so you'll see me start doing that in the next part. My camera cut off while I was showing you guys how I did my first nail, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys now. Now, you just go in with your top coat. And I promise this is way faster, y'all. I'm just taking forever today. It just, I feel like it takes me longer to do stuff when I'm trying to film it. All right, y'all, let's go get these bad boys in the light. All right, y'all, here they are. So yeah, that's how you do your nails yourself at home. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. And if you made it to this part of the video, don't forget to leave a teddy bear in the comments.